Why is WD-40 called the industrial all-purpose solution? This product, known as man's perfume, can solve 90% of problems with just one spray. From rockets to watches, rust and noise, all are silenced. Its uses are endless, so much so that manufacturers still haven't figured out exactly how many ways it can be used, relying almost entirely on users to explore through practice. Even Obama joked that if the country ever got stuck in the future, just spray some WD-40, which is why it's affectionately called the industrial miracle oil. Yet, this legendary little blue can was initially developed as a rust preventative for a single purpose. In 1953, Rocket Chemical Company, the precursor to WD-40, faced a tough task: rust prevention for rockets. The goal was simple: eliminate moisture from rocket metal surfaces and create a protective layer to stop rust. However, executing this was very challenging. The engineers at Rocket Chemical Company discovered through many tweaks that the results were either ineffective or unstable. After the 40th attempt, a miraculous mixture was unexpectedly formulated, which not only efficiently displaced moisture, but also left a thin protective film on metal surfaces. Thus, a magical water displacement agent, the 40th formula, known as WD-40, was born. Although WD-40 was initially used for rocket rust prevention, engineers discovered during maintenance that it not only removes rust, but also lubricates parts that are making noise or are stuck, and even cleans grease off tools, performing better than specialized cleaners. As a result, workers often carry a small can of WD-40 in their pockets to take home and fix squeaky doors and windows, or deal with minor issues like seat track jams, to showcase their charm to their wives. Furthermore, individuals who regularly utilize WD-40 often carry a distinct aroma, which has resulted in it being humorously dubbed as men's cologne. The reason WD-40 is exceptionally effective lies in its inclusion of a unique ingredient with potent penetrating capabilities. When the solution is sprayed onto a metal surface, it breaks the bonds between rust particles, forming a dense protective layer to isolate moisture, grease, and oxides. Subsequently, the Rocket Chemical Company discovered the immense potential of WD-40 and decided to introduce it to the consumer market. Unexpectedly, it quickly became popular, with people using it to dehydrate damp electrical appliances. Soldiers relied on it to make their jammed rifles operational again, and fishermen sprayed a bit on bait to make fish bite more easily. This successful transition from military to civilian use led Rocket Chemical Company to rename itself WD-40 in 1970. Just 3 years later, WD-40 Company went public on NASDAQ with strong financial reports, and its stock price continued to rise as a result. The market was soon filled with many fake products. However, people quickly noticed that despite the many copies, none matched the real product's effectiveness. The reason is simple: large. The formula for WD-40 has always been a mystery, because as long as they don't apply for a patent, they don't have to disclose the formula. Even though countless companies want to imitate it, they still cannot achieve the same effect. The original formula has always been kept in a bank vault in San Diego, and in 2018, the WD-40 company even moved the formula of this little blue can to a mysterious safe in San Diego. In the following years, WD-40 continued to expand its business footprint, promoting its products to over 180 countries and regions worldwide, and launched various specialized series for professional application scenarios. Whether it's maintaining aircraft landing gear, or whether it's for the maintenance of precision CNC machines, or the care of wind energy equipment, there are corresponding professional solutions available. Meanwhile, the Household Daily series has also emerged, with products like adhesive removers, air conditioner cleaners, and grease cleaners, easily addressing home maintenance challenges. Meanwhile, the Bicycle and Motorcycle Maintenance series launched by WD-40 has also been recognized by professional racers and teams. For example, the Ducati Lenovo team, where the champion Marc Marquez races, uses the full range of WD-40 products to maintain their motorcycles. It is precisely this quality, tested in extreme racing conditions, that gives everyday riders peace of mind. Although times are changing, the applicability of WD-40 remains timeless. In the 1960s, people used it to maintain the mechanical arms and rollers of typewriters. Today, makers use it to maintain the precision rails of 3D printers. In the past, it was an essential item in the toolboxes of American muscle car enthusiasts. Nowadays, new energy vehicle owners use it to maintain the charging port contacts to prevent oxidation and poor contact. From old sewing machines and film cameras to today's electric scooters, drone gimbals, smart home electric curtain tracks, and robot vacuum caster wheels, wherever there are mechanical structures with moving parts, WD-40 has its place. Even now, this magical blue can is an all-purpose maintenance partner in both professional and household settings. In daily life, the WD-40 multi-purpose metal maintenance product is everywhere. The cabinets and doors at home squeak, but a quick spray silences them immediately. Bicycle chains and motorcycle parts needing lubrication become smooth with just a spray, and even electronic devices that accidentally get wet can benefit. It can also serve as a water repellent and moisture-proof agent, and some even use it to remove crayon marks from walls or as a shoe polish. From the aerospace industry to home garages, from professional racetracks to daily commutes, WD-40 has proven over 70 years that no matter how times change, there is always a WD-40 product that is just what you need. So the next time you encounter a particularly tricky little problem, why not give WD-40 a try? It might just bring you an unexpected and pleasant surprise.